Single sign-on, SSO, in Azure AD. Single sign-on, SSO, is an authentication process that enables users to access multiple applications with a single set of credentials. Within the Azure ecosystem, Azure AD SSO integrates seamlessly with both Azure and non-Azure based services, thus centralizing and streamlining identity management. Types of SSO in Azure. Azure Active Directory offers different types of SSO. 1. Password-based SSO. Users use the same username and password for the app as they use to sign into Azure AD. 2. Linked sign-on. Users access the application via the Azure AD Access Panel or Office 365 launcher while the app itself handles the user sign-on. 3. SAML-based SSO. Security Assertion Markup Language, SAML. Tokens are used for secure communication between Azure AD and the application. 4. OAuth 2.0 and OpenID Connect-based SSO. Modern protocols for modern applications. Most suitable for web-based applications. Features. Centralized policy control. Security policies can be universally applied across multiple applications. Multi-factor authentication. Azure MFA can be integrated with SSO for enhanced security. Access monitoring. Track sign-in activity and manage users effectively. Conditional access. Implement context-aware policies to allow or deny access. Capacity. The Azure AD SSO can handle an enterprise-scale user base. The exact capacity would depend on the SKU you are using, P1, P2, etc. Purpose and usage. The primary purpose of SSO is to simplify the user experience by reducing the number of times users have to log into cloud applications during a session. It serves well in large enterprises with an array of applications and services. How to make use of it? To implement Azure AD SSO, you'll need to 1. Add and configure an application in Azure AD. 2. Configure SSO by selecting the SSO method. 3. Test the SSO configuration. 4. Enable users to access the application. Summary. Single sign-on, SSO, allows access to multiple applications with one set of credentials. Types include password-based, linked, SAML-based, and OAuth 2.0/OpenID Connect-based. Features encompass centralized policy control, multi-factor authentication, access monitoring, and conditional access. The capacity for Azure AD SSO is robust, scalable with the SKU. The main purpose is to simplify user access across multiple services. Implementation involves adding an app in Azure AD, configuring SSO settings, testing, and user enablement. Thanks for watching.